This is a review for J&M Reviews, a review of the Legend of Zelda Arts and Artifacts book. This is a collector's book, a collection of art from all over the Legend of Zelda franchise. It goes from the very first Legend of Zelda all the way through Breath of the Wild. It's a collection of art official from Nintendo that they use for marketing, that they use for their strategy guides, that they use for the booklets that used to come with original games. This also includes concept art of the games. It goes through the whole series. It's really well done. It is really great. It is great detail, and the pages are really premium. And this is great for any fan of The Legend of Zelda, any fan of art or of games. And this will be a great add-on to any collector of things of Legend of Zelda, of gaming, or any fan of art. It is highly recommended. You can get it. It is available, and it is definitely worth the price. It is about 200 pages, and it would make a great gift for any gamer or any collector.